Now, this is the time of year when many people decide to do a little spring cleaning, but many experts say it's also important to do spring cleaning for your mental health, to get rid of all the emotional clutter that you're holding on to inside. So joining us now, Dr. George James, a licensed marriage and family therapist from the Council for Relationships. Good morning, doctor. How are you, sir?
Hey, good morning, Bill. Glad to be here.
Appreciate you. All right, so we know about spring cleaning, but what is mental spring cleaning and why do we need to do it?
You know, it's really a very similar concept, right? With spring cleaning, we say like we have a lot of junk that we need to get rid of, or we need to go through things, or we need to purge. With mental spring cleaning, it's similar, but it's thinking about it emotionally. We accrue a lot of mental and emotional junk, and then sometimes we need to purge, we need to get rid of it, but we have to actually find it, we have to look for it, we have to go through the process, spend time, and then to release those emotions, especially those things that are taking up space that we don't need to take up space anymore. We could do other things with it. So it's really going through your emotions to get to a better place, maybe even a healthier place.
Now, you talk about a healthier place, and a lot of times this kind of emotional clutter or stress or what have you, we overlook the fact that it can also have real physical impact on you.
Yeah, you know, emotional clutter has been linked to not only your emotional well-being and your mental health, but also your physical health. We see oftentimes people talk about being stressed, being anxious, being depressed, being overwhelmed, and how that, yes, can impact their quality of life, their physical health, from blood pressure to other physical ailments. We see a lot of times where we're talking about trying to help people reduce their stress, reduce their emotional pain, so that it can impact their physical well-being. So they're very much connected.
Have you seen with so much of the kind of isolation or inside during the pandemic, has this had a significant or more significant impact on moms and dads?
You know, I think for parents, for a lot of people, with the pandemic and everything else, political season, racial injustice, that's all been really heavy and overwhelming for
Yeah.
people. But then you have like moms and parents who are home having to do virtual school while doing work, while doing their normal responsibilities. It's just overwhelming. And I could imagine there's a lot of emotional clutter and buildup over this past year. So, you know, for parents, moms, or for folks who handle a lot of responsibility in the home, I think there's just a lot there and that you might need to emotionally purge so that you can be ready for the next season.
Now, you say focusing on kind of it's good to get rid of these old things or the clutter or what have you. Do we also need to focus on adding new or better things to replace them?
Yeah, I think both is going to be important. So some of the emotional clutter that you might get rid of is some stress, anxiety, maybe some grudges, maybe some pain. It's those small things that have been building up. Maybe you need to forgive somebody. Maybe you need to release something. Maybe you need to tell yourself something good. And then the other things that you can add is maybe it's a new hobby, maybe it's a new practice, maybe it's journaling, maybe it's writing down the things that might that you like or that you're grateful for. The combination of those two can really help you with your mental spring cleaning.
Now, if we try on our own, but we feel like we need more help, maybe therapy, is that when we call you or somebody like you?
Well, you know, we don't have a cape. We're not a superhero, but we can come and help and be there for someone to in that moment because a lot of these things we can't really do on our own. I mean, if you think about it, when you spring clean, you could do some work, but it's better when you have other people and support. You get more work done and you get it faster and and you're more efficient. And that's where a therapy, a counselor, advisor can really be there for you to allow you to go through some of this emotional spring cleaning to be at a better place.
Listen, I will speak from experience, Doc. A lot of times, particularly black men, we don't like to acknowledge that we need that help. There have been plenty of times when someone like you has helped me. So if people need help, go get it. And Doc, thank you for spending some time with us.
Appreciate it. Thank you so much.
You have a good one.